Welcome back, YouTube. It's been a long day. And on top of that, I do not feel like cooking anything tonight. So, with that being said, about a month ago, me and my wife was at Starbucks and she ordered some egg bites. I said, that's very interesting, some egg bites. I've never heard of those. I tried them. They was really good. So, I figured, being that we about to go on a cruise in the next month or so, that we'll both try to cut back on this heavy eating. So I decided tonight that I'm going to try to do this quick and easy recipe with egg bites. So stay tuned and we'll be right back. Here we go with our ingredients. We got a mozzarella cheese, 5 or 6 eggs, depending upon how many people you're trying to feed. You got some Pam spray. You have your Morton salt, black pepper, green peppers, red peppers, onions, and turkey bacon. So you can use any type of meat that you like with this dish. You can use ham, turkey, bacon, sausage, or even seafood filling. We was thinking about doing that later on down the line because the seafood is so expensive right now. So maybe next video we'll show you how to do it with lobster meat or shrimp. So the first thing you want to do is spray your pan so you don't forget, so that it won't stick. Spray that down a little bit. Preheat your oven to 375 while you're mixing up your eggs and your ingredients. So now, add a little bit of salt to your liking, pepper to your liking, and then use your cheese last. So we go here, we add all the ingredients. Add your green pepper, your cooked bacon, your onion, red pepper, now got that all whipped up. So what I like to do next is put it in a measuring cup so I can pour it inside without wasting it everywhere. So now you got your both Don't fill it all the way up because it has to expand a little bit. Just me and my wife tonight, so we only gonna do 4. Come back, add a little cheese to the top. Got your oven set to 375. And we're gonna set it in here for about 20 minutes. Set my timer. Crazy thing. And we'll be right back.
We're back.
We're back. And let's see what we got. There they go. And there we have it. Hey, thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. See you next time.